Hello and welcome to FundsGenie demo series. Today, I'll walk you through every step of applying for a new fund offer commonly called an NFO right here on our FundsGenie platform. First, click the Invest tab to open our suite of investment opportunities. As the page loads, scroll down until you see the ongoing NFO card displaying the 5 most recent offers. To explore every active NFO in one place, simply click View More. At the top of the New Fund Offers page, you will see 2 tabs. Ongoing, which lists every fund currently open for subscription, and Applied, which later display all the NFOs you have already subscribed for. For this demo, click Apply on the NFO card you wish to apply. This will take you to the fund's detail page. Here, you can review comprehensive information, the minimum investment amount, the closing date, the fund category, and our intuitive risk meter ranging from low to very high. Once you have familiarized yourself with these details, click on Apply Now button again to proceed. Now you will be redirected to the order page. Enter your investment amount and let's select Demat mode. When you are ready, hit Continue. On the confirmation screen, verify every detail: the fund name, the investment amount, and your default bank. If you prefer to use a different bank, tap on the drop-down and select one of your linked accounts. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm and place order. Next, you will arrive on the payment page. Select UPI as your payment mode. If you have used UPI before in the FundsGenie app, your UPI ID will be saved automatically. Select your UPI ID from the list and click Proceed. Once you click Proceed, you will land on this screen with a countdown timer and instructions to open your UPI app. Since I use Google Pay, I will manually open Google Pay where I will see the payment request from BSE. Simply review and approve it to complete your transaction. Remember, all funds go directly to BSE. When you switch back, you will still be on this same loading page with the countdown timer. It only takes a few seconds for BSE to verify your payment. Click Exit to return to the dashboard. To track your new subscription, head back to the Invest page. Scroll down to the NFO section, click View More and switch to the Applied tab. There, you will find your subscribed fund listed with its status shown as processing along with the invested amount. And there you have it, a quick, transparent and seamless way to subscribe to NFOs on FundsGenie. Thanks for watching and here's to smarter investing.